The law of the garbage truck is a metaphorical story that illustrates how we can choose to respond to negativity in our lives. Some people let the garbage trucks of negativity like criticism, anger, or frustration dump their emotional trash on them. However, they can choose to let the negativity pass by and maintain peace and happiness in their lives. Remember, we have the power to control what we accept and what we let go. Have a garbage free life.